Let's go. Let's go, boys. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let me see. Everything up and running. Yes. Looks like. Yeah, looks like. Think we can. Boom. Hello. My face is always looking down a bit. I don't know why. This program, boys, they fucked it up. Okay, now it should be better. I have to recalibrate like every 2 seconds. But anyway. Hello, hello, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. And welcome to another Plane Shift stream where we develop an MMO. Well, we develop a role-playing game with some MMO features, but yeah. We want it to be an MMO and we want the world to basically evolve. Evolve by itself and having NPC that are smarter than us, you know? Okay. So we were working on bug fixing. Let me just check if for any reason I forgot to check in something. Commit. No, we checked in everything. Okay, perfect. Very nice. So I think we are close to the next alpha. I fixed a lot of bugs. And if I search here all the fixed pending release, you know, is and ready to test, right? If I do this search, there should be quite a bit. Look at that. There are 28, boys. 28. 28 that are fixed pending release, and some are a bit old. I think that some people just didn't check them in long time. So like for example this one, you know, this one I'm gonna close it. Well, this one is not, is 1.9. What do you mean by 1.9? 1st of September. Ah, okay. So this one is probably, no, this one is, but this one that is like 11 of June. And trading window, selecting amount. It is also super old. I think this thing we fixed a million times, right? In fact, it's fixed, but no one actually decided to close it. You know what? I'm just closing it myself because there is stuff that is gone since ages. So there is no need to keep it open. And this one, I don't know, someone is saying that it's closed, so Tua fixed it. Still happening. I cannot find the spot. Can you provide it? No one answered. Tua, I think Tua moved it to fixed pending release. Yeah, Tua fixed it. So this one to me is fixed as well. I don't want to keep, you know, on the bug tracker bugs there forever, right? So if you don't verify them in like 2 or 3 months, then I'm just gonna delete them. I mean, if they are fixed pending release, obviously. If they are not, this one I think is new, right? So okay, so we have 26. We have 26 that are fixed in this release, and it's pretty good. So what I wanted to do was to check this one, right? This one is saying that after repairing a short sword of quality 1 out of 50, I received a message. You have repaired your short sword 49 out of 49. This is correct on the right click, but on over it says 48. After logging out and logging in back, Showers is now 48, 48 quality. I'm guessing it's due to some sort of rounding. I think this one we should check. In theory, yeah, it's possible that we are passing in a float instead of passing in an integer or something. Yeah, that's very possible. That is very, very possible. But the point is that if it stays at 48 at the end, means it's really 48, right? Hello, coach. Hi. So... You know what? I think that I'm just looking down when I'm working on stuff. So I will just yeah, do it this way. Okay, so let's check this one. How do we reproduce this one? We need so the first question is, do we have a short sword? Or anyway, I don't think it requires a short sword, but if we could use the same item, probably it's better, right? So let me see. Let me see if we have I forgot to do something, by the way. I forgot. When was it? Yeah, I think I will never find it again. Hello, Flix. Hi. Oh, we got a... Wait. We got a copyright request. Weight of the World of who? English version from Nier Automata remastered. Okay, that they don't want it. Okay, GG. Let me remove it. Now we got a strike. We got a notification of a copyright of one song, so I'm gonna remove it. Is Nier Automata? Nier Automata. Let me see. The Weight of the World. The Weight of the World. English version. No, but this one I removed it already. What the fuck? Okay. Strange. Yeah. That's a problem. That's a problem. And so I'm trying to understand. Can I see that a good quality or not? Nier Automata original soundtrack. It's the other version. I have another version of this, I think, and also this other version is probably not allowed. Strange though, because I don't see. One second, I'm trying to remove this, but I don't know why the quality of the video is so bad that you cannot see it. Okay, I disabled it anyway. I disabled it. 125.24. Yeah. That's a problem. Yeah. 125. That's a problem. No, sorry. There was not. It was me, but in the other video. That's the problem. Was me, but in the other video. Okay. Let me remove all the versions of this and GG, because I think is probably sometimes. Okay, I did it. I deleted it. Okay, so I removed that. No, I wanted to remove that because then I forget, you know. And when I forget, okay, I'm back. I was just trying to... Okay, so let's try to fix this bug, boys. Let's try to fix this bug. So we need to fix the repair. So we need an item. We need an item. I don't know if we have a shore sword, actually, but we can see. Yeah, we have a shore sword. Okay, the quality is... Wait a second. This is the... because this is production. Let me see the dummy database. Our test database. Our test database, nope, is not there. So, well, we can copy it if we want. We can copy the whole thing, and we can... insert it into... Okay, so now we have it. So now we have the shore sword. Now, this should be exactly the same as production. So it should be quality 50, maximum quality 50, and things like that, right? So, because there is a max quality. Okay, so now, do we have the weapon repair kit? Now we need to understand what was the original. In the bug, it doesn't tell us. Yes, it was 150. There was 150. So I think I can fake it. I mean, I can manually add. That. Hello, Hula. I can manually add. By the way, we reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very nice. It's very nice. 1,000. I mean, 1,000 obviously is not a lot, but you know, it's still an achievement, right? Still an achievement. So we have 1,000 subscribers now. Oh. Something crashed, boys. Why? The server crashed. Okay, the server crashed. Let me see why. The server crashed with what? Begin play. Failure to load item stats 515 and name shore sword. Because the category 34 does not exist. Okay. We can switch it to something else. Yeah, because the dummy database is not fully aligned, which probably is not a great idea, but that's what it is. So we have a weapons that is 1, so I will just put it under weapons. I will just put it under weapons. Where is the item? Item category. Category ID. Yeah. 1, which is weapons. Sales price 2,300. Holy moly, that's an expensive short sword, but okay. That's a very expensive short swords. 1,000 nice milestone. Yeah, I like 1,000. I like 1,000. You know, to be able to monetize, because there is a monetization possibility, but to be able to monetize, we need 1,000. And we need 5,000 hours of 5,000 hours that has been viewed, right, on YouTube in I think in a range of, I don't know if it's 1 year or something. And we were actually above 5,000 some time ago. Then the holidays came, and probably the fact that also I streamed less, you know, didn't help, and now we are below. I don't remember if it's 4,000 or 5,000 that we need, but no, 4,000 is needed. 4,000 hours, and we were above 5,000 before. I remember the 5,000 and something, but now we are back to 3,400 hours. So I don't know exactly. I think it's time watched. I don't know if the time watched is time watched in the last year. Ah, yes, it's in the last year. It's in the last year, yes. So you need it in the last year, and so it means that we probably got more YouTube viewers last year than this year. But I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's not really important, right? But I'm just saying that if we get the chance, you know, whatever we can do, we will do. I mean, if it's available to us, I'm going to say yes. If it's not available, I mean, fine. Okay, so what I wanted to do, I wanted to by the way, control click and shift click is super useful. I really like it. The fact that we added it. So I will spawn a new short sword, right? And then I will do a bit of a trick, because I don't know if I can. Is this one? Okay. So the quality at the moment is 50-50, right? So what I'm going to do, I will quit. I will just change the quality in the database, right? And so that we bring it to 150. And then we see, so if I go under item instances in the dummy database, the problem is that this character has 1,000,000 items, so probably it's not a good idea, but char ID owner equal to 147, and item stats unique. I always forget. We have a unique and we have a standard, but is equal to, what was it? 155? No. 115? No. 150? No. I don't remember. 515. Okay. 515. Oops. Okay, it's this one, okay? So we just set his item quality to 1. What is the difference between crafted quality and item quality? Anyway, item quality is the current quality. So we set it to 1, right? We set it to 1. Then the other thing that we need to have, we need a weapon repair kit. I don't know if I have in the dummy database a repair kit. Yes, I have a weapon repair kit, right? Okay, fine. So I can reconnect. And now my weapon is damaged, right? It is the only way to manage items. What? Ah, you mean the control and the shift? Yeah, absolutely. I think it's good. No, it's good that I added it back because it's if you have a lot of items, I think it's the best. It's the best thing. It's the best. Okay, so now we have our short sword that is 1 out of 50, right? 1 out of 50. So the bug report says that if I'm trying to repair this, which by the way I don't even know how to do it, I think I need to put this and the armor repair kit in the other hand. Yeah, but a player will never do this. A player will never. I mean, a player will never do what I'm doing now. Can we change it? Can we change it to something more intuitive, you know? I think if it's damaged, you know, there should be a And by the way, why I don't have the damage here? I mean, why I don't have the quality here? That is very bad. Why we don't see the quality? Why we don't have an indicator that is broken or not broken? Is it the same in the old game? Do we have a screen? We need more screenshot of the old game everywhere on the internet, but also for us. Repair weapons. Have a repair weapon kit in your inventory. Keep the damaged weapon and type /repair. No one will ever do that. No one will ever do this thing. No one in the whole world will do this. No one in the whole world will do this. So the first thing I think is, if the weapon is damaged, I think that the background maybe can be red or can be whatever, right? I don't know if you want to have because you see it in the tooltip, right? But you don't see it in the. Do you remember in the old game if you see the quality? If you see the quality in the description, because I can launch it, but it will take me time. No, but I can launch it. If you don't know, we cannot repair things like that, boys. Is unpractical. It's completely unpractical. Is absolutely unpractical. I don't want, you know, any command to be used by new players. I mean, veteran players can use commands, and I'm fine with that, but new players cannot really figure out, you know, that there is a command. They need to right click and see it. This is the old game, by the way. Yeah, there is the quality. In the old game, there is the quality. Why I don't have the quality in the new game? Category weapons. Weight, sides, and then there is an empty line. You see this empty line? In the old game is... Well, there is an empty line anyway, but after sides, there is quality. And for some reason, there is no quality here. Why? Why? Okay, let's find out, I guess. Okay, send item description. Category, weight, sides, average quality and quality. Get, identify skill. Check, identify skills before sending quality detail. Because I'm too stupid and so I cannot... And so I don't see it because I'm too stupid. Yeah, but I see it in the pop-up. So I mean, I see it in the mouse over. That is a bit weird. If the item is an average stackable object and he has no max quality, so don't send information to the client, it is not applicable. Is not applicable. Average quality. The average quality is for the stack. Yeah, but basically this is searching for a skill. Return the skill ID needed to identify examined items. Players have to identify special items. Yeah, but this is not a special item. This is just a normal item. I don't understand why... Get, identify skill. Get category, identify skill ID. It's connected to the... It's connected to the category of the item. So in the dummy database, probably we have a skill. That's possible. Identify skill. Look at this. Yeah, I had something in my dummy database, probably because I did a test for identification of the skills, and so okay, save. Okay, so yeah, I had a minimum skill, but it's not required. Okay, so now it will show up normally. It will show up normally. No, the point is, okay, it will show up. It will show up. The point is, I cannot imagine someone, you know, obtaining an armor repair kit somewhere. Sorry, a weapon repair kit, right? And a weapons repair kit, and then having to press /repair. I mean, I think the weapon should show as broken somehow, or in this window. No, it's that there was a mistake. I think this is not a good idea. We need now. The problem is, can we change a slot? Can we change a slot background? And also, do we want to? Do we want a broken weapon to be? I don't remember if he's less effective as you go. I mean, if he's less effective as broken or only when he's completely broken. I think it's probably incremental, eh? It's probably incremental. It's probably incremental. Okay, let me test a few ideas, okay? The first idea would be... I think I need to do it in the editor and see if it works. Yeah, the only problem would be for items that are not repairable, because you can have an item that is quality 1, you know, just because you made it shit, but I mean, one thing is the max quality and one thing is the current quality. Yeah, I think if we compare max quality to current quality, then we are good, huh? Yeah. See you, coach. Bye. Okay. No, I don't think we can. I don't think we can have a slash repair thingy. I don't think it's reasonable to ask anyone to do slash repair, to know that is slash repair. I don't think is. I don't think it's fair. We need an icon to click. I mean, there's no way. There's no way. Now the question is, can I have... That's a very good question though. Because I will have to do it on what? On WD slot? I will have to do it on WD slot. And on WD slot... On WD slot, I will have to... Initial setup, right? Initial setup. Hide border, hide stack count, hide item tooltip, and read only. Exactly. But is there something? Image icon border. If I give like a tint, right, to this guy, do you think it will change? It's changing only the border a bit. But it's not very visible. It's not very visible. Then there is a button icon. We can change the... that's nice. We can change the icon color. We can change the icon color. Maybe. Yes. I think we can. No? I think we can. So let's say that we want to do it this way. So if you want to do it this way, changing the icon color, do you think we should have an orange and a red, or do you think we should just have a red? So meaning that if the item is in good shape, you know, it's just its own color. Then when it goes below a certain threshold, I don't know, like below 20%, it becomes orange. And then when it's broken, it becomes red, right? I don't know if it will work with all items, but I think it should. I think it should. Red and green is yellow, eh? Red and green is yellow. So in reality, to do orange is a mix, huh? So it's like 0.2, 0.3. 0.2 or 0.3 or 0.1 even. 0.1, 0.3. Okay. So 1 red and 0.1 green. Okay. So how do we do it? We do it that we do it for everything, or we do it only for something, like we enable it. I think we should do it for everything. I think we should do it for everything, because this means that you will see it also when someone is trading with you, you know? And I think it's a good idea. Okay, let me think about it. So when there should be a setup somewhere, right? Initial setup. Initial setup, okay, but where is my... but wait a second, because the slot is used also when yeah, I know, but I know update slot, translate slot, current quality and max quality, current quality and max quality. So in theory we can just do it here. Current quality, max quality. That is actually pretty good. Because, you know, because what I can do, I think I need a branch, right? I think I need to divide current quality by max quality. So we divide this by this. Integer? No. I want it percentage, Well, I think we can also do integer, but if we do integer and like I go like 1 divided by 1 is 1, yeah, I think it'd be okay. But if I have like a weird number like 5 divided by 1, it will automatically round it up. Maybe it's enough though. Maybe it's enough. No, but it's not enough, because this will not work. No. We need to convert it to float. There is no way. We need to convert both to float, and we need to divide the current quality by the max quality, right? And now this is the percentage, right? So if this is less than 0.2, what do we do? If it is less than if it's less than what? 0.2? No, if it's less than 0.1. If it's less than 10%, will be red. And if it's less than 20%, will be orange. And in all other cases, it will be the normal color. Right? Okay, let's try like this. Maybe it's okay. So if it's less than 1, if it's less than 0.1, we want to change the image icon we want to set the tint and color. No. Okay. And this would be red, huh? This would be 001. You know what? I think I need this function. I think I will create a function. Otherwise, it's too messy to have it here. Let me create a new function that is called change color based on quality. Okay, change color based on quality, and this one will take the current quality, and we want it as an integer. Is okay. And we have the max quality that is an integer as well. Okay, and then we will just call this function. Otherwise here becomes a freaking mess. Okay, is really a mess. So we put this into a new graph. We call change color based on blah 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 blah, and we do this and this and max quality and current quality. Okay. Okay. Now, now the first thing that we do, we check current quality divided by max quality. Okay, if the current quality is less than 0.1, right, then we set this to this color. If not, we check if is less than 0.2 or 0.25. No, I think 0.2 is okay. 0.2, and in this case we set it as orange. Okay, we set it to orange, and that's it. And if it's nothing, is not. Even if it's not, we do nothing. Okay. Okay, good. Let me see what happens. Very curious to see what happens. What happens if you have the color bad and you repair him? Yes, if you repair him, it will go good. In theory, automatically, because we received the new... I don't know if it will do it automatically, but yes, it should do it automatically. Because we received the new quality. So if you see the new quality, then... I mean, it's all connected, but we will see. I think we still had a lot of, you know, command that you had to use to play the game, and we need to remove that, and it's not possible. Drum roll. You type it wrong, but I mean it's no, redeem as 2E. Redeem. 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 Uh-oh. 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 Well, but at least it works, okay? At least it works, but it doesn't work. I mean, at least the coloring works. Okay, I like that. I like the color, though. I like it. Why it didn't work? Current quality and max quality. So, for example, 100 by 100. So, if I do 100 divided by 100, if I do 100 divided by 100, right? The result is 1, correct? And so 1 cannot be less than. So this will be false, and it cannot be less than 0.2. What the fuck? I don't know. No, in theory, wait. Where did I put this? I put it. I put it on update slot. Yeah, in theory is correct. I put it in update slot. I put it in update slot. Hula, you're always missing one letter. You missed the L and now you're missing the R. Come on. Come on. I don't understand how it's possible though. How is possible? Did I... Oh, finally. How it is possible that... What? Do you think it's because zero? I mean, sometimes we have zero divided by zero. Well, if it's 0 divided by 0, we should do nothing, by the way. If it's 0 divided by 0... divided by 0 detected. Divide by 0 detected. Okay, so if the max quality is 0, we should skip this check. Because it means that... Yeah. We should... if this is less or equal to 0, we should just keep it. Okay, we should not do anything. So only if it's false. Yeah, I think that was the problem, because probably... But it's strange, because we are setting it... Why? No, I don't understand. I don't understand how it's possible, but fine. I don't understand how it's possible that everything is red. Makes no sense, but fine. We will see. We will see why. I'm not a super fan of all red inventory. Yeah, exactly. Well, if you have everything broken, but it should not happen in theory. This will work everywhere, eh? Everywhere, in every slot. So also when you are trading, when you are, I mean, everywhere. So it's a basic new capability, which I think is pretty good because it gives you a visual. Okay, now, nice. Now this one, you see that is broken. Oh, fuck. Why here is not... because here is not... Okay, because here is not a WD slot. Okay, fine. It's a pity, though. It's a pity. I would like to have it here as well. But, like, if you are moving it, right? If I move it from here to here, you see? It keeps red. Which is very nice. It keeps red. And then it becomes orange. But I would like to have it here as well, if possible. So to have it there, let me see if I open a container. If I open a container and I move it here, yeah, it's the same. It's the same. It works. It works. It works everywhere. It works everywhere. It works everywhere, which is very, 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 very nice. So if this is broken, quality 1 out of 50. So if this is broken, I would like also that window to let me know that it's broken, right? I would like also that window to tell me that it's broken. That window is what? That window is, I don't know, view item or item details. I think it's item details probably. Item details. Yes, item details. Item details, there is the item icon. But the item icon, I don't know if the item icon I don't know. Because I think here is a bit different. I can try, but I'm not sure that it's the same. Is because unfortunately it's another object. It's not a slot because you cannot move it, right? It's not a slot, it's just an image. I think it is the same. I mean, it should be the same, but it should be the same actually. I don't know why it's not showing here though. Why is not updated automatically? Because I did a pre-construct, right? I did pre-construct, but probably this one is not because it's not. Okay, fuck pre-construct. The problem is that this one does not know the quality, right? He knows only the description. So it is a bit more difficult because at the moment, I mean, we can do it, but we need to change. We need to change this. We need to change this function, and this function is called it's called in a million places, or no. Hopefully it's called only in one place. It's called in two places. It's called in two places. It's called when we receive the item details, and it's called when we receive the actual location details. Okay, but the actual location we don't really care, so it can be actually 0. Yeah, it's only in one place. It's in this place. Now the problem is that here we have a description, but we don't have the quality. This is a bit of a problem. Because there is a bit of a problem because receive item details. I mean, we have it. We can change it. Receive item. We can change everything, but I don't know if I want to do it now. But because receive item details, right? In theory, we should add a new parameter that is like quality percent, right? Quality percent. And now the problem is, where is this called? Is it called in a million places? Or is it called only here? PS item, send container. PS item, send item description. Hopefully it's only one place. If it's only one place, I think we are good, but okay, it's only one place. It's actually two places, because one is if a container is locked, but this one we don't really care. So okay, let's do it. Let's do it, boys. We are doing it. Slot ID, and this will be a float quality percentage. Quality percentage, okay? Quality percentage. So this means that, yeah. This means that here we have to take, I mean, we have it already, because anyway we put it in the description, so we put it in the description. If the max quality is 0, it should always be 1 though, huh? Item quality. Item quality. There is get item quality and get item max quality. Get item quality and get item max quality. Now, if get item max quality is right. So if get item max quality, if get item max quality is less or equal to 0, then we just return 1. Otherwise, we do item max quality item quality divided by item max quality, right? And then we pass the quality percentage here. All this mess is to be able to do it also in this other window, okay? But I feel I need to do it. I feel I need to do it. Do you repair also if it's not broken? Yeah, I think you can repair at any time, right? Probably not a great idea, but if you right click on the function name, do you have find all references? If you click on the function name, do you have find all? Yes, I have find all references. Is it quicker or is it the same as searching that way? Is it searching? Okay, entire solution. No, entire solution is super risky, because entire solution is also should always be current project, huh? What? Passive item detail. Yeah, I have it here. This one is nice. Hello, Gian. Yes, I can also use it this way, yes. Let's say that then, I mean, I have to do it this way, and then I have to click to go. While if I do it this way, I'm going directly, right? So, and I see directly. So I think this one is quicker probably. But yeah, but this one is nice as well. If you have a lot of instances, maybe, you know. Has to have at least one durability is less than max. So it needs to be like a 49 out of 50. And then you can repair it. Okay. No, because... okay, I want to add the color. And then I also want to add the ability to repair it. But I want it as an icon. The problem is that we don't have an icon, I guess. The problem is that we don't have an icon for repair. We can use the icon of the armor, of the repair kit. Yeah, we use that. And when you click it, it will just issue a /repair, right? Now, you need to have it in a specific hand, or what? Keep the damaged weapon in your right hand. If it's in the left hand, doesn't work, huh? Is it the same for repair armor? No, repair armor, you need to have it on your body. Holy shit. Okay. No problem. No problem. So this is good because we are using the same icon pretty much everywhere. So yeah. Okay, so no, win group, we don't need it. Win item details, yes, exactly. So now we should have in player controller, no, in, I don't know where is it, but anyway, in whoever is calling this, yeah, in player controller. Yes, we have here quality percentage, you see. So we add this new quality percentage and we set it as a float and we go float. And so now we also add it here. Quality percentage and is a float. Okay. So we just pass it through to our window, right? To our item window, and then here we basically do the same. We say if is less than 0.1. I mean, if you could call the same function, but unfortunately it's a completely different object, so actually we cannot, because it's a completely different object. But in theory, is this thing, right? It's the same. It's the same thing, just slightly different. Do I want to do it here, or do I want to do it in a separate function? Well, as long as we change the icon color if the quality is less than 1. So if this is less than 1, right? So if it's less than 1, if it's less than 1, then what we do? We don't need this anymore. We just need to check that is less than 0.1. So if it's less than 0.1, we... Well, this check is useless. Sorry, no, this check is completely useless. We can directly check this. Oops. So if this is less than 0.1, we use this color. If it's less than 0.2, we use this color. Now, this is probably not the one. Heh. The problem is that this is a WD button. A WD button. I can still set the tint for it, so we can try and see what happens. But I think it will probably set... because here we have a bunch of stuff. I think it's also setting the label. Well, we can try. I think it will look fine. So is the WD button item icon. So if I... Oh wow. Why so smart? How does he know? Oh my god, this software is thinking by himself. I wanted to do it on button icon, but he said no, you have to go on the image and do it. Yeah, because this one was target image. Wow. Wow. Artificial intelligence programming. Holy shit. This was something, huh? Okay. Can we have another item that is a bit broken but not so broken? Can we have another item in my inventory? So, item instances. Let me find another item. Item quality. I mean, it should be a weapon, though. How do I know if it's a weapon? Good question. From this table, I cannot know. It's impossible to know. Ah, there was a weapons here for some reason. Item name, because it's a chest name weapon. No. Let me. It's easy, it's easy, it's easy. We just get a falcon. I think I have 1,000,000 falcons. So it should be 6, 7, or 8. 6, 7, or 8. Exactly, like this one. So this one we do what? We do item quality. Let's say, how much is 20% of 50? Is displayed as 50/50. In reality, is like 49.97 divided by 50. But it rounds for the display value. Yeah, that's very possible. Yeah, it's very possible there is a percent. Yeah. How much is 20% of 50? 10? 10. So if it's below 10 but above 5, right? So if I put it at 8, it should show orange, no? I think so. I don't know. We'll see. We will see, my friends. Let's see. Now this will work with anything, right? Where the current quality is lower than the max quality. I don't know if we have items that are by default like that, but I hope not, because otherwise their icon will be wrong. But so, as you can see, it is red. Do we have a yellow guy? I don't see a yellow guy. Quality 50, quality 50. Where is the... I have it in the bank? No, I cannot believe it. That's possible. It's possible that it's in the bank. I changed an item that I have in the bank. Oh, fuck. Really? I changed an item that I have in the bank. Because it's not in my inventory. Yeah, location -4. I think it's bank. I have to change this one. I obviously changed the wrong one. I had 50-50 chance, and I obviously changed the other one. GG! But I think it's a good change, huh? You like it? I think it's a good change to have a bit of an indication of what is broken. We never had that in the old game, huh? I need to be sure I remove this update group not valid. Update HP. Update HP, please. Where is this update HP, please? We added it yesterday, eh? When we were doing stuff, huh? But we should remove it, huh? And also group not valid. Okay, I will save it later, but just to be sure that we don't spam, you know, because otherwise, like now. Okay, let me see my inventory. Aha, you see that is orange? Very nice. Okay, if I click on it, I see the orange here as well, right? So this is actually correct. And if I click on this, I see it red. Now, this orange and red are very similar colors. I don't know, maybe we can do it yellow. But anyway, it's fine. I think it's okay. So now I think what we want to do, we want to have in this window another button really, which is the repair button. And we will enable it if the percentage is lower than a certain threshold. I don't know, like 50% or something. How should we enable it always, or should we enable it only sometime, only in a threshold, only if we have if we are below a certain threshold? Because in theory, no, why I said make writable? Fuck. I wanted to say checkout. I misclicked. Okay. I hope it didn't change it. No, I think it's okay, huh? Yeah, I did it. Okay. Should we enable the other button? Should we enable the other button? So this will be repair, right? Repair. Should we enable it only after a certain percentage is reached, or should we enable it all the time? That's a big question. By the way, I don't understand why my setup here is not showing up, because it's construct and not pre-construct. But I try to do construct and still it's not working. So if I do why if I do pre-construct, this thing is not showing in the editor, huh? Why? Why the pre-construct is not working? Because it's a sub thingy, and the sub thingy is a function and is not calling it. I don't know. Anyway, we don't care. I don't know. The for some reason it's not working. I cannot use the controller, eh? So it's failing here, eh? It's failing here. Well, easy. Easy fix. Perfect. No, because seeing it in the editor is anyway useful, you know, so I can see what I'm doing, you know, so it's not yeah. So we want to point to what? To repair. We want to point to what? To items. Weapons. No. Icons, accessories. No, I have no idea where is the repair kit. No. Crafting, maybe crafting. Do you see it? I don't see it. Do you see the armor repair and weapon repair? It's not here. Okay. Food. No, food, I don't think so. No, food, no. Magic, no. Miscellaneous, probably miscellaneous. Here it is. It's this guy. It's this guy, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 6, 5. In miscellaneous is a 6, 5. Is a 6, 5 in miscellaneous. Perfect. Okay, now we may decide when this appears, you know, if you want to. By the way, he has a tooltip or not? Tooltip, yes, I need to set it. Tooltip repair. Tooltip repair. Okay, so it's on by default, but is on by default or not? No, in theory also this one is not on by default. Visibility, not it. Yeah, they are visible. So I think I set it probably when I do the setup. No. Yes, based on consumable. Based on consumable, I show the button use or not. Yeah, exactly. Based on consumable. So I need to do the same. So based on the percentage, percentage. What is the percentage, boys? 90%? 80%? What is the percentage you want? Tell me the percentage, I put it in. Whatever you want, I do. Well, not exactly, but anyway. If less than... If less than what? To show the icon, to show the repair icon. Widget. Widget. What do you want? If less than 0.8, 80%. 1%? No, 1% no. You may decide to repair your weapon also before because it's more effective, you know. So now you don't want to repair it all the time, but weapon with lower quality as I mean, one quality from 50 is now to clean a bad modifier. Ah, so you mean if he has 1% less, so you mean like 0.99 or whatever. 2%. So yeah, so 2% it will be 0.98. If it's less than 0.98. Or yes, less than 99. So I basically will show all the time. It will basically show all the time, huh? So slow YouTube, yeah. Okay, so 99. Widget 99. Anyone else? 99. But 0.99 is 1%, is less than 1%. So if he's 1 point, I can do less or equal if you want. So starting from 2%. Yeah, basically we show all the time. Okay, well, not all the time, but yeah, it will show for all the ones that are broken. Okay, so if it's true, then we do what? We do if it's true, we take our button repair and we set the visibility to visible. If not, we set the visibility to collapsed, okay? So that we don't see it. Okay, perfect. Done. Now, what that button is gonna do, well, it's very easy. That button is super easy. That button will just issue a command /repair. Super easy. Super easy. Super easy. So we do what? We do player controller and then player controller and then execute what was it? Execute command? Yeah, execute command. Execute command on PC though, because we need to go server and then exactly. So, and the command will be just /repair. right? And that's it. Slash repair. And so it will basically do the same if you do it with a command, right? We do the same. We'll do absolutely the same. I have too many windows. Just wanted to see if I saved everything. Yes, I did. I went to get coffee. What I'm answering. I was saying I will show you. The question is, when do we want to show the repair icon on an item? And coach was saying when he lost 2%. When he lost 2%. So from 2% down, we show this button. Wow, it's very far away. But anyway, we show this button. I could put them in a vertical box, and so when I collapse, it will go here, right? Is it a better idea? Probably yes. Because at the moment they are so if I put these three into a vertical box, right, they will when they collapse, this one will move up, right? So I think we look nicer in theory. So yes, the question is, for example, this one is mistakes were made, huh? Quality 50-50. How can it be red? No, huh? We have a mistake here, huh? We have a mistake. How is it possible? Do we have a divide by 0? We don't have a divide by 0. Why? Something stupid happened. And my thing is not working. Quality percentage. If the quality is less than 0.1, go red. If the quality is less than 0.2, go this. Ah, because the previous. I never restored the previous. Yeah, I never restored the previous. So I need to restore. So if the quality is greater, I need to restore the previous. Otherwise, because I clicked on the red first, and so the red changed the color, and that slot remained that color. So I need to go to 111. Boys! Okay. Yeah, that's why it was red, I think. If you show it right away, it never not be there. 2% sounds reasonable. Okay, you can also make it a blue polish light, light, dark for calling a repair. What? What? You want a flashing light? Like this? I don't think so. Also because it doesn't exist in a fantasy world. It doesn't exist in a fantasy world. Para-para-para-param. Put animation fire. Put an animation fire. Boys, but okay. Okay. Red. White. Red. White. Okay. So, if it's red, I have this repair icon, right? If I click here, this item is too complex for a current repair skill. You cannot repair it. Fuck. Okay. So I go under my skill. No, let me remove it from my hand and click repair. The default slot. What do you mean the default slot? The default slot is empty. Can we please give messages that are kind of user friendly? What does the default slot means? Repair slot name. The default slot. I mean, we can say your right hand is empty or something like that. Your right hand is empty. Put an item there to repair it. Something like this. Or even better, put an item in your right hand to repair it. Put an item in your right hand to repair it, no? It could be done increasingly dark bright flashing as quality goes down, but that's certainly more work. Yes. At the moment I have two settings. I have less than 20% becomes yellow, less than 10% becomes red. But if you want me to change those values, I can change them. So if you think it's better to do 50 and 30, I don't know, what is the right value? We have three colors. We have normal color, we have orange, and we have red. Tell me what do you think is the good percentage? Sorry, by the way, what repair slot name? Wait a second. Wait a second. This thing was like this. He had a variable, is not passing the variable. What the fuck? Because the repair slot name is parametric, eh? But this message was not parametric. If repair slot name. Put an item in your to repair it. The slot is empty. Okay, anyway. Okay, so if I put it here, it's saying that. If I put it here, it's saying this item is too complex for your current skill. Okay, so I go here in my skills and I bump my... Is it... the fact that I get the scroll bar only if I am is very annoying. Is it a job? Repair armor, repair weapon is a job. Okay. Okay. Repair weapon. So I will... repair weapon. Let me try 20. What? Set skill. That's good. So now I have 20. I have 20 in repair. You start repairing. Yeah, you start repairing, but for 20, there is no progress bar for repairing. Why we don't have a progress bar for repairing? You have repaired your show sword to 40 out of 4 to 20 out of 46. To 20 out of 46. But I didn't get any updates here. That's not very nice. That is not very nice. I have to move it. If I move it, I get the update. Mistakes were made, huh? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Mistakes were made. Why? Because I have to put back here as well, or because if max quality is less than 0, we don't do anything. We have to set the color to the proper color, but I wanted to optimize a bit and not do all this mess all the time, and so I said, hey, when it's less than 0 means that I don't have to change anything. But it's not very true, because let me just check one thing. Update slot. Because when I clear this slot, right? When I clear the slot, no, I think I need to do it anyway. Because when I clear the slot, I pass 0, right? And when I pass 0, yeah, I need to. There's no way. There's no way I can get off of that. I can't. Yeah, I have to do it. I have to, because otherwise it keeps the previous color, unfortunately. So there's no chance. So you say 25 and 50. Duplicate code. Yeah, because they are two very different objects. One is a button and another is an image. So you say 25 and 50? 25 and 50. Okay. 0.25 and 0.5. And we have to do the same. And we have to do the same here. Wait. There's something. So. And we have to do the same here. 0.25 and 0.5. Okay. So now they will both be red, unless I bump this a bit. I need to bump it to, I don't know, 20. Bump it to 20. Okay. I think it's good, no? I don't remember what was the original bug, but anyway. Yes, the original bug was on the percentages. The original bug was the fact that if you are at... The original bug was saying that quality off by 1 after repairing the item. After repairing the short sword quality 150, I receive a message, you have repaired to 49. That is correct on the right click, but when I over it says 48. After logging in and out, the service was 48. But I think in the database that's an integer, so I know it's a float. Is a float? Yeah, but you see that the quality, when we repaired it to 19. So is anyway an integer here? I think we round it somehow. Probably we round it, I don't know. I don't know. We can try. The problem is that it's not refreshing the inventory. Our current issue is that the inventory is fully refreshed, and that's very annoying. Yeah, so this one is orange now, and this one is orange as well. I don't know if this orange is too similar to the red, but anyway. Probably it's too similar to the red, eh? I should make it more yellow. Should make it more yellow. I can go 0.15. I can go 0.15 or 0.2 directly. Maybe 0.2. Let's go 0.2 so it's more evident actually. It's more evident that is different than the red, okay? So the problem is that when you repair it, so if I repair it now, you should say that I have no repair kit, right? You must have a weapons repair kit to repair your short sword. Wow, he's also telling me that it's a short sword. He knows. This software is smart. This software is very smart. Yeah, but we need to update this thing somehow, eh? How do we do it? At the moment, I think that when we are repairing an item, we are not sending it back. We are not sending it back. We can send back the whole inventory, but all the time sending back the whole inventory, oh my god. Yeah, I think at the moment is the only way. You know, unfortunately, our code is structured that we are sending back the whole inventory all the time. So even when I move this to this, right now I move this here, we have resent the whole inventory, and it is not very good. But unfortunately, it's how the old game was doing it. He has the advantage that you are sure that you're always getting, you know, the proper thing at the end. If you move things quick, you know, if you move things quick between slots, there is no possibility that the server is getting this, say, desynced from the client, right? But the bad part is that you have to send everything all the time. So I don't know. So basically, when we repair, we need to resend this and then this window will not be updated anyway. Maybe we can close the window. Yeah, maybe when we click this, you know, and we do the trick, when we click on this, we close the window, so that we don't have to update it. And we resend the inventory though. So when we click on this, I want to close the window. Now this window, to close this window is not so easy, because to close this window I need to do it through W container, eh? I mean, if you want to do it properly, we will have to hide windows. Show hide window by name. No. By name. Hide window. Hide window. Window to hide. There is item. There is item details, boys. Item details is 14. Okay, so we close the window so that no one knows, but then we need to resend the inventory. There is no way. Okay, we can do it. It's just one line, but so if we do repair, right? If we do repair, handle work, GG here, I don't know. Here will be a bit of a mess, because here this class is handling everything. So repair. Ah, no. There is a separate thing. Handle repair. Handle repair. You have the stamina, repairable or not. You have the kit. You have the skill. Do you have this? Do you have that? Calculate your chance. Queue time. Yes. I think it would be nice to have the progress bar, no? Why we don't show the progress bar like we do it for everything else? We should. I don't know why we don't. Let's show the progress bar. The progress bar... wait, let me put here a bookmark 1 second so that I can go back. Yes. No. Yes, okay, now we have only this bookmark. No, we have a million other bookmarks. Okay, now we have only this bookmark. How do we do the progress bar for the normal work? I think it's very simple. It's probably only one line as well. I would like to put it here. I cannot go back. Okay, handle use, handle construct, handle production. I think in handle production we have the progress bar, I think. Somewhere in this mess. Set production start. No. Set trade work. No. Maybe we do it client side. I see. Start the progress bar for the players. Receive with the time in seconds. Yeah. With the time in seconds. So, okay. So it's as simple as this, and the progress bar will go away automatically. So we can do the same here. We can start the progress bar where time required is repair duration, right? So that we have that bar as well, which I think is always nice. And then we have to resend the inventory, but we have to do it when this event is completed, because we need to know. Okay, so handle. So we need the trigger of this guy. We need the trigger of this guy. Okay. Work done. Repair, manufacture, production, lock picking. Oi. No, we need to do it only for repair. Repair event. We are done working. Clear the mode. Check for presence of tools. Blah blah blah. Now ensure that we need the item. Blah blah blah. Implement decay of quality of repair tool. Calculate resulting quality. Blah blah blah. Calculate the practice points, calculate the experience, and save. Okay, here is where we have the new quality. And trigger the repair achievement. Okay, GG. Okay, here I want to send the new updated inventory to show the quality, the new quality. Okay. To send it, I think there is only one line. That is update view. No, there is what? Update item view. Send inventory and send glyph. We don't need send glyph. I think we need only. If the inventory window is up, update it. Yeah, exactly. So we need that. We need that. Send inventory is not a function we can call. GG. Because it's in play. Yeah, it's in play. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Work event client. I think will be probably protected or inaccessible. Client send inventory, no? What the fuck? Okay, was not on client. Come on. Where was that? It's in server chart manager. Server chart manager, update item, client, and send it's on server chart manager for whatever reason. It's on. Okay, I mean, I don't care. It can be anywhere. Fine. Server. I don't remember if it's server char manager or if it's char manager. No, I think it's probably char manager. Yeah, char manager. Char manager send inventory client. Client is undefined. Yes, because in reality it's this. Okay. Okay. I think like this will do it. So this in theory should change color, right? That's the whole purpose. And also the tooltip will work correctly, which was one of the things that have been reported, right? That the quality was not showing. So here we close the window. Here we change the percentages. Okay, so we recompile, boys. We use fast array serializer, which is good. Faster serializer, which is better than array. Because in my case, that is a structure, so I will have to, I mean, is the what I put into it is a structure of things. But if there is a better way, I want to use it. I had an guess I got distracted. I got distracted 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so now this is red. This is orange. Yeah, this orange is better, I think. This color is more orange than before. Yeah, I like it more. Okay, so if I try to repair this, it will tell me I have no kit. You must have a repair kit. Okay. If I give myself a repair kit, weapons, repair kit. Which, by the way, I don't even know if I agree to this, but anyway. I don't know if I agree that you can repair weapons with a kit, but yeah, but you have the skill. Yeah, but without tools, I don't know. Anyway, that's you start repairing. Okay, there is the progress bar here. Now this progress bar is not very nice, I know. Also, you cannot move it, but we can make it better in the future. Okay. But at least you see the progress bar now. The window is being closed. Now, when it's finished, this thing should be updated. And it should become... perfect! It worked! It worked fantastically. Okay, so it works, boys. It works. Now, let me see if there is that problem of the quality, okay? So, with the... So, what was the... Let's not touch anything, right? So, we got a new inventory. This is updated. So, the guy was saying... after repairing, I receive a message, you have repaired your short 49. That is correct on right click, but however it says 48. After login, well, in theory it is not even possible because on right click it was saying 48. So like if the quality in the description, but according to the description now is correct. Yeah, I think because we were not resending the inventory. Now we are resending the inventory. So my suggestion, I think that this bug is fixed. Because you see, he had to log back in. And it is because that was not updated, right? So I think that is fixed pending release. Done! GG! I can do the G myself because YouTube is not doing it. But I think it's a good change, huh? It's a good change. It's a good change. It's a good change. It's a good change. Let me take a screenshot. Let me take a screenshot and post it somewhere. Do we want to post it only to the Patreons or do we want to post it to everyone? We can paste it to everyone, I guess. Why said 43 in an info window 44? Ah, is that one? It's not the 30, it's the second one. Ah. Ah. So I was looking at the first number. It's the second number that is wrong. How the hell is possible? What the fuck? How the hell is possible? $44. $44. $44. There is the short sword, eh? $43. $44. How can it be 44? It's impossible. So this means that when we do send item details or whatever it is, right? It means that we are calculating the quality in a different way, only in the description. Why? No, but it's not possible. What? What? Hey, bro, get max quality. Get max quality. Get max quality is going on the item and is getting max quality. Current stats. Current stats get quality. There is a float, huh? There is a float. I think there is something that may happen, you know. I don't know why it is a float, actually. I don't think it's a great idea that it's a float. But anyway. So let's... okay, it's a float, right? So we are getting... But this guy says that after logging out and logging in, the server is now at 4848. So it's saying that if he relogs, he gets the right value. That's very strange, though. So it means that the server has it right. Okay. But this window, I'm regenerating it. Every time I right click, I regenerate it. Because this right click is a request to the server to get the information of the item. And he's executing this function 100%. So I don't understand how it's possible that the next time I log in, that would be different, right? That would be different. Be different because it's set as a float, but my item is reloaded. Yes, because my inventory is reloaded from the database. Ah, okay. Yeah, the difference is that... yeah, the problem is that it's a float. I think that's the issue. Because actually we write it in the database as an integer. No, actually, no. Actually, we write it as an integer, but the field is a float. I think originally it was a float, and then we changed it to... You see, the item quality is a float in the database. But as you can see, I wrote 43. So most likely we are rounding it when we write to the database or something. But it's very strange because it should take the it should take the same value, right? So this so why this value? I have no idea. It's very strange. It's very strange. This quality is this that may fuck it up? No. Okay, let's check just if he relogs, if it's true that he's getting 43, but probably yes. So if I relog, you know, server side, in theory nothing happens, but my inventory is getting reloaded, because when I log in, we reload from the database, right? The character is not cached, and so the ghost tria is fixed, by the way. The ghost tria in the trade window is fixed. But no, it's not this. No, it's a very different problem here. It is a rounding problem for sure. It's a rounding problem between one part of the code and another part of the code, but I don't understand how it's possible. Yeah, now it's 43. Now it's 43. So basically means that the quality... but the send item description is reading the item, eh? The send item description is the one that is populating this, the right side, right? It's populating the right side. Is reading get item quality, right? Is reading get item quality. The problem is that is set at runtime, right? And probably set as a float. Yeah, let me change that and fuck it. Let me do this. When we set the quality in the repair, right? Let me round it and GG. When we set the quality repair amount. What? No. Set result quality, right? Result quality, result max quality. Yeah, I think that here we are setting floats, but we are then saving. Let me see if we save. I'm sure we save integer. I'm sure, because otherwise. So item quality. Yeah, you see, string from int. Which, by the way, is wrong, because this is not an int. So it's probably truncating it here. I don't know exactly what it's doing with the from int. If from int is because this is not an integer. There is a float. So if a float gets transformed into an integer, is it truncated or is it rounded in C++? Because this is a pure C++ thing, yeah? We are changing... I mean, I think it's a bad idea overall to have it as a float. But yes, but that's the problem. That when we write to the database, we are truncating. Or we are rounding. When we are in memory, we are still with the float, and so we display it with a different rounding. So that's basically what is happening. But I think this get item quality should not be a float. That's pretty much the problem. Is that if I change it now, it's a freaking mess, because I have to double check 1 million other places. I think it's a huge regression possibility, right? So I just need to know when this happens, what happens. I can test it right away. I just need to know how it does it, and I do the same. So let me go in my super test, bunch of test. Okay, we go in bunch of test, which is basically, oh my god, Testing. Wait, this is vector initialization. Testing roundings. Float int rounding. So if I have a float that is f1, I think I have 1 million f1 already, but anyway, f1 that is 5.2 or 5.2, yeah, and I have a float f2 that is 5.5, and I have a float f3 which is 5.8, right? And I do int I1 so what is doing? What is it doing, boys? Oops. Why it doesn't like it? Ah, no, because it's a string. Sorry, it's a string. It's a string. It's a string. It's a string. Okay, I just want to see, and we do the same then in our repair function, so we are compatible with whatever we write to the database. Because at the end, here is a matter of consistency more than right or wrong, right? It's just to say, this is right, this is wrong, I don't know. Papararam. Papararam. Anyway, when we release it open to everyone, when we release the game open to everyone, I think we should advertise a bit, because at the moment we are not advertising at all, or very, very little. I mean, my only advertisements are the streams that I'm doing, right? But not really advertising the game in any way, so... Five. Okay, so he's really truncating it, yes. He's truncating it. It's a bit of a pity to truncate, because basically we are losing quality, but fine. I guess it's okay. I mean, if you're at 5.8, going to 5 is a bit of a pain, but... So every time you repair, you are losing a bit, right? But fine. Okay, if that's the case, I don't want to change the other side of the equation, because it may mess up too much stuff. It may really mess up too much stuff. So we will change this side of the equation, meaning that after we calculate the quality result, the max quality and the result... by the way, is the same on the result quality? It may be the same, huh? Item quality... Crafted... I don't know why it's called crafted quality. No, wait a second. Where is the 43 going? Ah, yes, it's going here. It's going here. It's going in crafted quality. I don't understand exactly what. Yeah, because there is the yeah, because when you craft it, you define what is the maximum. Yeah, it's okay. Anyway, both of them. So we need to truncate this thing. How do we truncate it? What is this? There is a float. How do we truncate a float? Truncaf. Truncaf float. And trunk long double. Oh my god. Is there an F-mat? So I'm sure that is compatible with every possible platform. Yes, thank you. Thank you! Thank you, Unreal Engine, my friend. Otherwise on Mac, I will have a problem. I'm sure, and all my quality will be fucked on Mac. Thank you. I deleted what I didn't want to delete. I deleted. Okay. So we do this and we do this. So now if we do it again, it should be correct, right? So it should be consistent between do I want to write it down? We truncate because we truncate when saving in PS item commit. And we want database value equal to memory value or runtime value or whatever. Okay, nice. So now it's really fixed. They have a round 2, yeah. Hello, developer. What do you think, a new president? I mean, I think it's good. I mean, the politics in general is something that I'm not really passionate about, because, you know, you're voting someone and then that someone is not really bound to really respect what he declared he would do, right? So basically you are voting someone, but then they can basically do whatever they want, right? I mean, it's not really true, but at the end, you know, they can say, this was not possible, you know, this changed, that is not really what I meant, you know? So that is why, you know, politics for me is very, very little interesting. Because it seems to me that it's not a safe investment, right? So like, you're not investing in something that you know what you get. You never know what you get. But apart from that, so apart from this, disclaimer, I think first is a woman, which is nice. Is the first woman to be a president in Italy, in the history of Italy, which I think is anyway nice. I mean, but, you know, apart from that, which is just, you know, a kind of an historical milestone to say, hey, we had one. I don't know, just like maybe, you know, Sweden or Nordics or whatever. But anyway, apart from that, which is another, you know, small thing, because in theory is the same, but it's interesting that it's a woman. I think she has pretty good ideas, so should be fine. I think it should be fine. Is she from the north? Yes. No, she's from Rome, I think. She's from Rome. No? She was she was managing Rome. She was managing Rome for a bit, so I think she's from Rome. Let me check it. Yeah, Rome. Is from Rome. Is 45 years old, which also I think is very good, because she's young enough, you know. So it's not, you know, the 70, 75 that we get sometimes. So I think at 45 she has a, you know, good thinking. And I don't know, I've seen in the how to say, I've seen in the in the newspapers outside of Italy, in the news outside of Italy, they say, oh, it's from the far right. Well, I don't agree. I don't think she's from the far right. I mean, I don't know why they picture her as a far right or far right. I mean, yes, she's more right than left, that's for sure. But he's not, you know, a fanatic, you know, he's not a fanatic, so it's just a reasonable person. I think we'll be okay. Okay, so now we have a 20 on this one. We repair it. No, it's still repairing. Yeah, in theory, if you open it now, this will not be updated. Huh? This window is never updated. So if I open before the process ends, you know. But anyway, this will not be updated. But now I get the new. Now I get the new item. But it's the same. It's 20. Why? You have repaired your short sword for 40 out of 40. But it's still showing 20. What the fuck? What happened? Ay. Ay. Oh, it worked for this one. Ah, fuck, because I need to have it in my hand. It's not... this is kind of a mist. This is a problem, though, eh? Ay. If I click on repair, I am repairing this and not this. Ay. Provided you Rome is already the south. Yes, Rome is definitely the south. I mean, it's the middle south, but it depends. You know, if you look at Italy, I mean, for me it's the south, but I don't know. I mean, it's like middle. I don't know. You see it? It's kind of in the middle, but usually we consider the north. I don't know if there is an official division, but probably yes, there is. I don't know what is it, but to me, you know, the north is this, pretty much. The middle is pretty much this, and this is the south, right? But in reality, I think that for everyone else, probably Rome is still in the middle, and the south start from here. So, but Rome is really, you know, is really on the verge of the separation. But I don't know the separation between north, south, and... I mean, for sure there is, but... Italia, nord, centro, sud. Nord, centro, sud. It's this one. Yes, so, yes, Rome is considered the center. Rome is still considered center because... Fuck. Rome is still considered center because Rome is here. But you see there is a bit of a... because it's taking the region. The whole Lazio region is considered center. And so this part where Rome is considered center. But in theory, if you do it geometrically, it's to the south. You know, so... I don't know. Okay, we have a problem, boys, that we need to enable. We need to enable the repair only if you are clicking from a slot that is in your hand, right? Otherwise, I'm repairing the wrong one. Understand? Okay, that's a good thing that I did it. Okay. So it's not hard to do because we have the slot ID. We have the slot ID, I think, right? When we right click, I hope we have the slot ID when we right click. If we don't have it, it's a problem. Well, if we don't have it, we can pass it through, but I hope we have it already. So if I go in receive item details, no. If I go in, yeah, slot ID. In slot ID, I really hope that this one is the slot ID, right? So we can just check that is 0 or 1. No, it's 0, right? Because we can repair only in the right hand, we said. So in that way is even more. So in that way is even more easy because you cannot do a mistake, right? You cannot do a mistake because the button will not appear unless you are in the right slot. Yes. I like that. So we need a slot ID. So we enable if this is 98 and slot ID. This one, slot ID and slot ID equals to 0. That is the right hand. Why I don't get that? Please. Repair works only if item is in right hand. Right? This I like, eh? This is very, very good, boys. This is very, very good. Yes, because I did a mistake and I repaired another item and I was like, what? Why is not working? And it was not working because it was not the right item. It was repairing the sword and not the falchion that I had in my inventory. The Romans, what? The Romans had a massive cultural influence. I mean, the Roman Empire for the US, etc. Later, the modern Italians as well, and the Caribbeans, etc. You guys influenced the West world a lot. Yes, I think so. I think so. We also did it for music, for food, for style, for dress, for whatever. Yeah, I think we influenced quite a bit. But I think everyone influenced everyone else actually. But like US influenced us a lot. So I think okay. So now if I click on this guy, you see there is no repair. There is no repair icon because it's not in your left hand. Now I don't know if you really want to do that or not. No, I think there is a problem though because this way the player will never know how to repair. I want to do differently. No, I want to do differently. I want to do differently. If you click on, no, I want to do differently. Wait. This is not the way. I need to store this slot somewhere. Slot ID, I'm storing it already. Perfect. So when you click on repair, if the item is not in the right slot, it will tell you, right? If the slot is different than 0, right? No, let's say if it's equal to 0, which is more understandable. If it's equal to 0, we do the repair. If it's not equal to 0, then we call receive system message, right? Receive system message. Yes, receive system message. And yes, we do receive system message, and message will be error, and message line will be you can repair, no, to repair an item, you need to
just do it.
You need to put it in your right hand. You need to put it in your right hand. Okay, so at least he knows how to do it, because if I'm having a small problem here. Just do it. What is this spaghetti thing? This is super spaghetti. Okay, well. Okay, so now he knows, right? Now he knows. And I think it's much better. So he sees the repair button. He sees the repair button. He tries to press it. And then he will say, I have to move it, right? But he knows, at least he knows how to do it. So this is the way we guide players in the right path, right? Starting of the savage country. You mean the south? I don't know. I mean, there is good and bad. It's like the south of France, you know? It's like to say that the south of France is the savage country. I don't know. I mean, yes and no. A bit yes, a bit no. Okay, so if I want to repair this, I right click, I see the thing, and I say, I can click it. But it's saying to repair an item, you need to put in your right hand. So now I switch it there. Without closing the window. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Okay, I need to close the window then. I need to close the window also in this case. Otherwise, okay, so the window will close, and then I have it in the right slot. And now I click here, and it will tell me I don't have the kit. You must have a weapons repair kit. So it's basically impossible to repair it. Fuck. Okay, no. And then the player will find a repair kit, will go around and search for a repair kit. Okay. And then he will do it again. So now we are at 20 out of 50, huh? Boom. We start repairing. Why we have this 20 0 seconds? I mean, 20 0 seconds maybe is a bit too much, huh? So now it's green, but his total quality is 46. If I click again, I don't have a repair kit. Okay, perfect. Now I think it's good. Now I think it's fine. Now I think it's fine. Okay, now I like it. Can we remove that 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0? Continue for F0 seconds. How do you do it? You do it 2F. I never remember. Fuck. I think it's like F.2 or 2F or something. Dot to F, huh? It's dot to F. Dot to F. Dot to F. Okay. Okay, so we don't have that. Okay, I think it's done, boys. We did it. We did it. We fixed another piece of our game. And we also improved it, because now we have the ability to see the damage and to repair with a button, which is very, very nice. And we also give indication to the player that he has to put it on the right hand. And everything is looking beautiful, right? Okay, so I think we can check in this. Sorry, I'm closing a million windows, but because, yes, there are a million windows. And, hello, who joined? Hello, Jose Casanova. Hey, thank you for the subscription on YouTube. And yes, the small step, exactly. Step by step. Step by step, we do this. So we check in, so we commit. We commit this and we say WD slot, win group was just for the thing. Yes, yes, yes. This, and this. And this, yes. So we can say added the color to the inventory slot. Added a color to the inventory slot to indicate if an item is damaged. Red for 25% or less. Orange for 50%. No. Orange. No, I need to say it different way. Orange color if less than 50% and red color if less than I type it correctly here in the commit, because then I use this commit for the change log. So if it's written already in a good way, I can just use the text one-to-one in the news, you know. Orange color is less than 50%, red color is less than 55%. Added icon in the item description window to repair a damaged item. Fixed refresh of inventory when after repair. Added progress bar while repairing. We did all this, boys. Easy. Absolutely easy. Okay, good. I think we are good. We can check it in. You could add start see Unreal in .bat. Do you think it will work? Because I googled it and they said no. Did you try it? Because I think I tried already, well, I don't know, 1 year ago, but let me try. They were saying there was no way to have that close automatically. Let me try, because it's very annoying that it's opening the windows. Super annoying that it's opening the windows. Let me see. No. Well, he opened something and he closed it immediately. Probably because there is the exit. Yeah, but like this is okay. If then I... If then I stop it. I stopped it now. Okay. Is it, you think it's the exit or is the start? No, like this is very good if he... Yes, because he's like opening a window for a second and then he's opening another window immediately after. I think it's very good, thank you. I think I googled it a long time ago and the answer was no. Like it was not possible, but I don't know, maybe the start was not an option. Because I really searched for it. I searched how to close the window. This is very nice. I can do it in the... I can do it here and here. Is this the same? No, it is an exit. I think this one doesn't... I think this one... No, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. The same thing. It's exactly the same thing, right? Because the same command is just that it's using it. Yeah, it's the same command. Ah, that's very good. So I don't have to close a million windows. Because you see, it was living like that. And I remember I googled it, but people were saying no. I don't know, here they are explaining a million things. Probably because it's from PowerShell and not for the normal shell. But I think the start works very well, at least for me it works well. He's opening a new window, a new... You see, this guy said start, but he has -3 votes. For whatever reason. But I think start is good, huh? It's good, huh? As far as I know, you can't. As this behavior is designed and controlled by the command line. You see, this guy is saying you can't, and he has 72 voting. Press Ctrl C twice. Yeah, this guy is saying start, but he only has... Oh, fuck. Not logged in? Okay, anyway. There is one guy that said start, but I think it probably depends on what you are launching. I don't know. Maybe if you launch different things, maybe it depends on the executable that you are launching. I don't know. But for us it works. For us it works well. Thank you. For Unreal it works well. Okay, I think I'm going, boys. See you, coach. I think I'm going. I will see you tomorrow evening. We will do more fixing. I don't know which fixing I will do tomorrow, but this one is done. I will check the bug list. So if you want to... So I will check basically everything except closed, fixed pending release and ready to test. Yes, exactly. So if you find more bugs, please put them here in the bug tracker. Also, if you think that if you really want a bug to be fixed before the next release, check the bug here and let me know. Right, so there are still a number here that are needed to be fixed. For example, this one I think I will check, because this one is strange, it is not working. I mean, character selection is off center. I mean, we're not gonna die from it. But this one now this is a duplicate. This one is also fixed pending release. I mean, it's the same one as before. I don't know why there were two. They were pretty much the same. Because one was for the number. Yeah, one was for the difference of max quality, and the other was for the these ones, for example, are not very relevant. They are kind of small. I don't know. We will check tomorrow if there is more important stuff. If this is like not very important stuff. For example, this one, guild house, no collision detection inside guild house. This one I think we can fix it, because now, yeah, I think this one is fixable. Bodies unsorted. Yeah, the sorting I would like to fix as well, but all this sorting, I don't know how to do the sorting though. I have to do it manually. Is it possible there is no window in Unreal that is sortable? I mean, it's so stupid. You cannot sort in Unreal. I don't understand. UMG sort table. Why there is no possibility to sort something? I mean, it doesn't exist. There is no sortable. There should be a sortable something. Anyway. We will see tomorrow. Tomorrow. Good night, boys. See you soon tomorrow around 9 p.m. my time. If you want to click on follow on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube, that's always good. And also, it is free. So, you know, I mean, you can do it. It's free. If you want to test the game, you can test the game right now by going to patreon.com/planeshift. And you can become a Patreon. And with the lowest tier, that is $3. You can download the game and test it and play it tonight, because the server is up and running. See you, boys!